Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update After Effects to use motion blur correctly on fast cuts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update After Effects for optimal motion blur on fast cuts, start by launching the application. Ensure your After Effects is closed before proceeding. Visit the official Adobe website to check for any available updates. Log in with your Adobe ID if prompted. Navigate to the Creative Cloud desktop application. In the app, find After Effects in the list of installed software. Click on the Update button next to After Effects if an update is available. Wait for the downloading and installation process to complete. Once updated, reopen After Effects. Create a new project or open an existing one. To enable motion blur, locate your composition in the timeline. Select the layer that you want to apply motion blur to. Find the motion blur switch in the layer options. If it's not visible, make sure to enable motion blur for the composition. Click the motion blur toggle in the top menu of the timeline. This will activate motion blur for all layers in the composition. For fast cuts, adjust the shutter angle in the composition settings. Navigate to Composition in the menu, then select Composition Settings. Go to the Advanced tab in the Settings window. Increase the shutter angle to enhance the motion blur effect. A higher shutter angle results in a more pronounced blur. After adjusting, click OK to save your settings. Return to the timeline and preview your composition. Check that the motion blur effect is working correctly on fast cuts. If needed, tweak the shutter angle until satisfied with the result. For specific layers, you can also adjust the motion blur settings in the Layers Effects panel. Experiment with different settings to find the best look for your project. Once satisfied, proceed with rendering your final video. With these steps, After Effects should appropriately handle motion blur on fast cuts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.